Hey everyone, back tuning in today's second video. Already done the first video today on the Stormwatch page, so if you want to have a detailed look at what's going on with these thunderstorms over the next few hours, or risk of thunderstorms anyway, check out the video on the Stormwatch page. This update will touch on the rest of today's weather, of course, in any case. Doing weekend forecast today. If you're not a fan of hot weather, you're probably not going to enjoy this forecast, because we are in for a lot of very warm, if not hot weather through the coming week, with high pressure dominating. Does look like a real sort of heat wave type week for many parts of the country. Now, before I get on with the weekend forecast, just to mention the advertising, there's video ads on our pages at GazWeatherVids.com. Hit play on the video ad, you'll be helping to support GazWeatherVids.com. It pays the website essentially, so hit play, see what the ad's about, and by doing that, you're helping to support the website. Thanks very much for doing that. The website's up using full weekend forecast. We've got the radar picture and some charts at the end from the weatherout.com, and we've also got charts from weathercentral.de. You can find a link to both of those websites on my links page, and thanks very much to those websites for letting me use their information. So here's the current radar picture, and the heavier overnight rain is really becoming confined to the north now. It's pushing up in towards northern England through Wales, getting further north now in towards southern parts of Scotland. We've got some heavy thundery showers, thunderstorms up over eastern Scotland as well. It is drier down in the southeast for the time being, but you see through the channel there's more sort of heavy bursts of rain and thunderstorms down in the channel. Those could drift northwards through the course of this afternoon. We're also in a very warm, humid, muggy air mass, so if the sun comes out for any length of time, the temperatures are really going to shoot up this afternoon, and that could just set off more thundery showers and thunderstorms as well. We have a quick look at the lightning detector device to see where the lightning is just at the moment when I'm doing this video. We can see that the lightning is across eastern parts of Scotland, with that heavy cluster of storms up there, a little bit through East Anglia, down towards the far southeast. Not a lot actually through northern, where that heavy area of rain is just at the moment, but more down in the south and through the channel. Flashes of lightning there, and those could drift northwards through the course of this afternoon. Here's today's synoptic pressure chart, and we can see that we're basically under low pressure now. The high pressure has relented very slightly up towards Scandinavia. Low pressure has come up from the south and the southwest, so quite a complex sort of afternoon, but the overall idea is that we're going to find bursts of heavy, showery, thundery rain gradually drifting north. So there will be thunderstorms around in places. So a lot of places will stay dry and miss these bursts of rain altogether. A lot of cloud around, but the sun could come out at times, particularly in the southeast. If that happens, it could get hot again with temperatures, or it will get hot again with temperatures up to 28 degrees, that's 83 Fahrenheit. But the heat and humidity could just burst more thunderstorms into life later on this afternoon. It's going to be that sort of afternoon where there's rain always threatening, but some places will miss out and stay dry as ever. Now, overnight, the whole lot's going to push northwards and eastwards, so it's really eastern Scotland and northeastern parts of England, I think, that has the risk of showers or thundery rain going on towards the end of the night. Most other places will turn dry as we go through the night, with mist and low clouds, some clear spells mixing as well. A very warm and muggy night with temperatures in the cities perhaps no lower than 17 or 18 degrees. A really warm night in the towns and cities. Out in the countryside, probably nearer 15 or 16, but wherever you are, it is going to be another sticky night. That low pressure is still to the east of the country as we go through into Sunday. Quite a difficult picture to forecast for Sunday, but I think we're looking at the greatest risk of showers in the east, northeast of Scotland, northeast England, coming down perhaps into East Anglia as well. There is a model, the Euro 4 model, a high resolution model, that's suggesting some more heavier, persistent thundery rain could come in across the southeast through the course of Sunday afternoon. I'm not sure about that. I think it's going to be more sort of scattered type showers tomorrow. Many central west areas probably staying mainly dry actually. Temperatures will feel a little bit fresher, but it's still very warm, up to around 26, maybe 27 degrees. 27 is 81 Fahrenheit. And then that's really the end of the unsettled weather, because we go through to Monday, the low pressure shifting off in towards central parts of Europe, and this ridge of high pressure is coming in from the southwest. We could still have showers for eastern Scotland and northeastern England, but most places are going to be dry on Monday with sunny spells, and temperatures will be lifting up to around 28 degrees. That's a hot 83 Fahrenheit. No change as we move through into Tuesday. The high pressure, if anything, is extending its influence up to the northeast. We're in a gentle easterly flow. It means that for eastern coast, it could be rather misty and murky with some low cloud perhaps in one or two eastern coastal counties. That's the place to go really if you don't like the heat onto the east coast, because most places are going to be dry, sunny and really warm, if not hot, with temperatures possibly getting up to 29 degrees. That's around the mid-80s Fahrenheit. That could just spark off one or two thunderstorms over the Pennines and the Scottish Mountains. The heat goes on into Wednesday, a really hot day, almost universally dry perhaps by Wednesday, and temperatures up to 30 degrees, that's 86 Fahrenheit. The heat really building across the country once again, heat wave type conditions. We may have a little trough coming through across England and Wales on Thursday. That could just enhance the risk of perhaps a few thundery showers or thunderstorms across the south. Have to firm up on that one, but many places are going to stay dry, sunny and hot once again. Temperatures up to 31 perhaps, that's 81 Fahrenheit. Going through to Friday, no change. High pressure is in control again as a large blocking feature up to the northeast, so it's almost universally dry. That risk of thundery showers on Thursday will fade away, I think, by the time we get through to Friday. Most places are going to be dry, sunny and hot. Temperatures again somewhere around 30 degrees, 86 Fahrenheit, and no change going into the weekend. We may see a few showers and slightly cooler air freshening west of Scotland and Ireland, but the bulk of the country again going into next weekend, dry, sunny, hot conditions, heat wave conditions, at least up to the high 20s, if not the low 30s Celsius. Have a look at the charts from the weather outlook. We've got risk of showers and storms around the country today. Very warm, muggy day coming up. The showers more in the east as we go through to Sunday. Many central western areas will be dry. Temperatures a little bit fresher, but it's still going to feel very warm really across most parts of the country. But don't get through to Monday, it's almost universally dry away from the northeast. Temperatures in the very warm category of high pressure building in, good sunny spells, and then it becomes hot again as we go through to Tuesday. On into Wednesday, it is hot, mainly dry and sunny. A few storms scattered about here and there of the heat of the day, but most places going to be dry. Greater risk of showers or storms in the south as we go through to Thursday, but most places staying dry again and hot. And the heat continues as we move through into Friday, dry, sunny and hot. So if you don't like hot weather, it's going to be a bad old week for you, because we are in for proper heat wave conditions. High pressure is going to be dominating. Temperatures are going to be in the upper 20s into the low 30s. So that's well into the 80s Fahrenheit for many parts of the country. Dry, sunny and hot once we get this thundery spell out of the way today. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.